Lightbearers 2012. This summer, experience an adventure in theater and music as we bring the stage to our Maker, the Lord. Shine your light for Him and be light bearer for the Lord. The Lightbearers is a 6-week stage production summer camp aimed at harnessing and developing young musical and drama talents, giving your child the opportunity to gain confidence and shine on stage. Now embarking on its 4th year, the Lightbearers Summer Workshop will culminate in a full production stage musical at the end of the summer. So come now and enroll your child in this fully loaded package of fun, friendship, and a fantastic journey into music and theater. It's curtain time! Workshops start on April 16, 2012. For more details, please contact Ms. Roan Flores at 521-1001 and Ma'am Rosalie at 586-0339.